Hi, the purpose of this function, this is chapter 6, number 13, is to find the y-intercept. It's supposed to use a helper function called the find slope function. So here's how it works. Given two sets of coordinates, that's one set of coordinates, x1, y1, and 2, 6 is the x2, y2, the other set of coordinates. We're supposed to find the slope first and then use that to find the y-intercept. So it's after we try to find the intercept, it's calling this function. It first off has to do a Boolean to check to see if the denominator is going to be 0. In other words, the denominator of 0 means that the slope function will have a 0 on the bottom, and the computer won't like that. Nor will mathematicians, as they give that an undefined slope. So we have to assign it an undefined slope if that's the case. So we look, and also make note that the y-intercept is not going to exist for that set of coordinates. Okay. Otherwise, if it's not the case, then we're going to find the slope, and it calls this function, which is the find slope function, and it uses the typical slope formula. Make sure that you use parentheses, as it would have a PEMDAS problem if it did not. And we return the slope. Now we know that to bring it over into this function. So that we could use the equation y equals mx plus b, but solving for b, we get y minus mx would give us that b value. So it works out pretty well in terms of using this information. It will tell us that the slope and the y-intercept with the printout here. And also there's another one I put in that has undefined slope. In other words, I'm looking at a graph. The coordinates 6, 8, and 2, 6. There's 6, 8 right there, and 2, 6 would be right here. It goes through that one, as you see that the y-intercept is 5, and this one is this set of coordinates creates a vertical line, and a vertical line has no slope. It's undefined. So let's run that and verify what it's going to be doing. It gives the information for these coordinates. The slope is 0.5. The y-intercept is 5.0. In these coordinates, the slope is undefined. The y-intercept means that this is not a function with a y-intercept. So that clarifies the question about y-intercepts for this. Have a good day.